Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a protein coffee milkshake in our Ninja Creami ice cream maker.
So you ready? Let's get into this. All we really need is a little bit of ice cream, some milk, and maybe a little bit of whipped topping. Making the coffee ice cream in the Ninja Creami is really simple, but keep in mind you're going to have to do that about 24 hours in advance because you have to freeze the base. All you need for ingredients on that is a little bit of oat milk, monk fruit sweetener, egg yolks, some coffee grounds, vanilla extract, and some whey protein powder. To make this video a little bit shorter, we're not going to go into depth on making the ice cream itself because we've done that on the channel already and we've linked that up above. So we'll just be under the assumption that you've already made your ice cream and you've already processed it in the Ninja Creami. Remember, you have to have already processed that ice cream because first it has to already be in ice cream form to make the shake, and second, we're going to need to make sure there's enough space in the creamy pint to add the milk. In addition to the ice cream, we're going to need a little bit of unsweetened vanilla almond milk and a little bit of zero sugar Ready Whip. As always, all the ingredients and measurements you need for this recipe are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. This recipe makes 2 cups, so that's 1 large shake. For that shake, it's going to be 1.5 cups of ice cream and 1/2 cup of almond milk. The way you can tell how much to put in is the fact that the fill-to line here is right at 2 cups. So we're just going to be filling it about 75% of the way up here with ice cream. And then that last little quarter is going to be the milk.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and spoon our ice cream in here. Remember, you're going to want to make sure you smush this down nice and flat. Make sure you're not overfilling this either. Also, you're going to be wanting to do this with really frozen ice cream. You don't want this sitting out, and you want to do this right away when you're ready to have your milkshake. Otherwise, it's going to get too melted. Okay, we'll just go ahead and pack this flat. And we'll top this off with our almond milk. And we'll go ahead and put this in our creamy pitcher. Then all we gotta do is turn on our machine, lock in the pitcher, and press the milkshake button. By the way, this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Okay, once that's done, we can go ahead and remove this and pull it out of the pitcher. See how nice and smooth that looks? Then all there is to do is transfer this into a glass, like this. Shoot on a little bit of whipped cream, and you're ready to serve. Ta-da! I'll tell you what, this is a great alternative to just doing your regular run-of-the-mill protein shake. When you have one of these, I guarantee you're gonna swear you're having dessert and not a healthy snack. If you want some more info on the Ninja Creami, we do have a link down in the video description. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about us, you can watch a couple more videos, or you can visit us online at joesphenomenal.com. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you back again here really soon. So until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.